Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Gufran Hashmi. I'm from Kishanganj, Bihar. I'm pursuing Alimiyat at Jamia Islamia Ishaatul Uloom, Akkalkuwa. Presently, I'm undergoing a 40-day personality development workshop at Jamia Islamia Ishaatul Uloom, Akkalkuwa. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Jamia Islamia Ishaatul Uloom and English House Academy for imparting us the art of public speaking. My dear brothers, I stand here of the days to speak about life. Our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, has curated everything you see around the mountains, the beautiful nature, the sun, the moon, and many more. There are thousands of species living underwater. There are thousands of species living on the ground. But my dear friends, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says the best of His creation is we the human beings. Yeah, we the human beings are blessed with this amazing life. We the human beings are blessed with brains to understand and comprehend things. My dear brothers, this life is an examination. There is no place in this world where you can hide and do something. Allah knows all our activities, even if we do in the darkest night. Because Allah is the seer and knower of everything. My dear brothers, not only human beings, but the devil is also being sent along with us into the world, who always tries to divert us, disturb us, and make us indulge in the bad activities and tries to distance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But my dear brothers, if we fall into devil's trap, then we simply fail in life. But if we follow the Quran, if we follow the teachings of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then inshallah nothing in this world can stop us from achieving success here and hereafter. As you all know that, our mother loves us very much. But my dear, it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who loves you more than 70 times as your mother does. We usually get scared of our parents if we do something wrong and score less marks in the examination. But what about our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who created us and we disappoint Him every time? We disappoint Him every time. My dear friends, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, whoever comes to me walking, I'll come to him running. My dear brothers, this life is an examination. Yes, this life is an examination. To pass in the exam, we need to distance ourselves from the devil and all the activities which will lane us from the world. Do you know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, every human being loves you for their benefit. Every human being loves you for their benefit, but Allah is the one who loves you for your benefit. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation and have a wonderful day.